Well, I haven't put any videos up for a little bit, mostly because I haven't done anything interesting. But thought this one might cater to some people. Decided I had the fuel sending unit go bad on my '64 Falcon Futura, so decided to replace that. Found out the tank was needed replaced too. So while I was replacing the tank, I decided to do a little upgrade. So let me show you what we did. So that's the that's my Falcon. Just a little 289 4-speed car. But here's what we did. You know, anybody that has one of these cars knows the gas cap's through the rear panel and wasn't really designed very well for modern gas nozzles, and it's constantly, it seems like no matter how slow I do, it always pumps gas out and runs down here in the back of the car. It discolors the paint, starts to eat it off. I tried putting a baffle in the filler neck like the modern cars have, and it helped a little, but not as much as I wanted it to. So out of frustration, I decided to move the filler neck inside the trunk. I took some cardboard templates and I made this bracket. It bolts on using some existing holes in this trunk latch bracket. So I didn't really alter the car. And got a pre-bent 30-degree filler hose from Summit Racing, and this nice little flush mount gas cap. It's kind of actually designed for, like pickup trucks when they guys put the filler neck through the floor of the pickup truck so that it sits flush. It comes with this little key that you use to open it. This is a non-vented gas cap, so I don't have to worry about fumes inside the car. Wasn't a problem on this because the Falcon gas tanks have a vent that runs out across the back of the car, runs up underneath the quarter panel, and ends up coming out through the floor. But so hopefully this is going to eliminate my, gas flowing out the back problem. And then as far as forgive my camera work, this is a little tight. But as far as like the original gas cap, I know this is very hard to see. So I can get a better light in here. I took the filler neck and I cut it off. I put 2 slots in it and had a little piece of bar stock. Took the bolt out of that holds the gas cap together. Put a piece of all thread in it. Put the piece back on. Stuck the all thread through that little bar and put a nut on it to hold the gas cap in. So it locks the gas cap. Prevents anybody from stealing the gas cap. Not that I've ever had much concern about that, but also keeps the gas cap, makes it non-removable now, so you don't have to worry about somebody accidentally sticking the nozzle in and filling the trunk up with gas. So pretty simple. I probably got about $100 in making this, between the gas cap and this hose, and this was just some leftover metal I had that I bent up a bracket, and the piece to lock that gas cap in was just leftover parts I had laying around. But I would assume you could probably do this. The tank is very similar to a Mustang, so you could probably do it on a Mustang. I know this is '64 Falcon, 5's the same. Probably, 1, 2, and 3 is probably very similar. Could probably be done with a lot of the Fords that ran it through the back panel. Biggest thing is just making sure the gas tank's vented. But just thought that was something. I've read in some of the forums and talked to some other guys with Falcons that always complain about that. So that was my solution. So maybe it'll help somebody out. So that's it for now. Thanks for watching.